Hi all, it's Nick. 9 Acre Overland coming to you from the 9 Acre Overland garage. This is a little bit different than what I planned my normal content to be, which obviously revolves more around off-roading, four-wheeling lifts, modification, stuff like that. But I did find this useful. So I went to start the old Husqvarna Ryan mower, YTH 2148 for the first time this season, and she wouldn't go. Battery tested good, seat switch tested good, I cleaned all the connections, getting a solid click. I was like, well, what is it? Took voltage at the starter, 6 volts, not good, 112. So, in hopes to go pull the starter out, thinking maybe the starter was bad. No. What I found was, after I pulled everything off, let's see here. Oh man, was this area here was chock full of mouse bedding, crap, and acorns. And what had happened was some of the bedding had gotten stuck down in here. This little spring is spring loaded. It shoots up when you turn the starter on and then releases once it gets going. And an acorn had jammed in those gears, keeping it from starting. Another thing is, had I gotten it started, I probably would have set the damn thing on fire. All right. So just like I said before, I was getting nothing, just a click. Got everything vacuumed out, cleaned out. Let's go ahead and see if she starts before I put everything back together. There we go. If your equipment's stored in a lean-to, in a garage or a barn, it's not 100% mouse or chipmunk tight, and you've checked everything else, check that. Hope this video saves some people a few headaches. Carry on.